Hey guys, welcome back. So today we're going to decorate my husband's bathroom for Christmas. I'm not really doing much. And I say my husband because this is the basement bathroom. It's not the same my favorite bathroom. I think it's the nicest one in the house. But it is colder down here, so he's the only one that really takes a shower and does his business. Down here is his man cave. But I'm just lightly decorating it for Christmas and giving it a nice clean. I only honestly clean this bathroom once or twice a year because he normally cleans it, but I do feel like it needs real touch of cleaning. You'll be so bad if you hear me say that. Cleanliness a year. So let's go ahead and get into it. And I'm not sick. It's literally cold out here.
Alright, this is a really quick before and let's get started. I am taking everything out of the bathroom. I saw his book there that you guys will see later on. I was like, what? He would. So I'm just taking everything out so I can have a fresh, clean start. I'm gonna go ahead and start out with cleaning those window doors. It took me like 10 cleans to get it to my squeaky clean that I like. So yeah. And of course, I can't forget the other side as well. Right now I'm using the dry Swiffer and I am basically going to give it a nice little rub down, and then I am going to go in with the wet Swiffer as well later on. Alright, and then I'm going to go ahead and wipe down his mirror and his sink. And of course, cleaning the toilet. So much fun. Alright, now I'm using the dry Swiffer all over the floor to make sure I'm getting all that dust out. Alright, now I'm going in with the wet Swiffer and I'm going to go ahead and do the complete shower. And after the shower, I'm going to do the floor. And again, he likes his bathroom very simple, so I'm going to go ahead and add some black rugs that he had just washed. Then I added one of our older little Christmas mats to his sink. Added his towel to his regular little placement, and then I added a nice Christmas R, you heard Christmas R, to the other side. Alright, now I'm putting back that little furniture thing that he has in the bathroom and wiping it down. Now I'm adding this candy cane string thing basically to the furniture just so that it can kind of be a little bit more Christmassy. Me and it had a little bit of a fight, you might be able to tell, but I felt like it came out pretty cute at the end. And if you're wondering what this big old box is basically to sanitize phones or stuffed animals or basically anything. I love this box. Then I went ahead and used this little cloth that I always have around because my whole house is basically that theme. And then I'm putting this little sleigh that I got at Target dollar spot. The SpongeBob he already had there, and then another, you know, Mr. Hanky, just like upstairs. Put this little tree right down there. The little SpongeBob tree my mom actually gave us. I put it right on top of the sanitizing thing. His book that he apparently really needs there. And that's it.
I hope you guys enjoyed me cleaning and lightly decorating my husband's bathroom. I know it's super simple and I barely did anything other than clean. But he doesn't really want all that. So I did as much as I could to, you know, put a little bit of Christmassy in this room. We hope you guys enjoyed. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. Happy holidays, guys, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.